Breeding and digital incubation. The cycle begins in a controlled environment where elite parent pythons are selected for their unique skin patterns. Once the eggs are laid, they are moved to digital incubators. Advanced sensors maintain a precise tropical climate, ensuring a perfect hatch rate while monitoring every heartbeat inside the python eggs.
We've achieved optimal saturation across the grid.
Acknowledged. Maintaining current parameters for the next cycle.
The diet is strictly regulated, using poultry and rodents to ensure steady growth. These cold-blooded predators thrive in a climate-controlled atmosphere, designed to keep their skins flawless and unblemished for the luxury market. Humane harvesting. When the pythons reach their optimal size, usually after 2 to 3 years, they enter the harvesting stage. Conducted under strict international standards, the process ensures humane treatment and maximum efficiency, preparing the animal for both the high-end leather and high-protein meat sectors. Phase 4. Master skinning and meat refining. Skinning is a master craft. Skilled hands or high-pressure systems separate the hide perfectly from the muscle. While the python meat is filleted and flash-frozen for global cuisine, the raw skin is cleaned and prepared, revealing the mesmerizing natural geometry of the python scales. Phase 5. High-tech tanning and preservation. The tanning process is a chemical transformation. Raw python hides are treated in large rotating drums to become durable leather. They are bleached, dyed, and glazed with UV technology. This stage turns a biological skin into a high-gloss, resilient material that is soft to the touch.
Look at the consistency of the scales here. It's superb quality.
Agreed. I'll make a note for lot number 7.
Phase 6. Luxury manufacturing and traceability. Final grade python leather is destined for the world's elite fashion houses. Each product is assigned a digital ID to ensure legal CITES compliance. From bespoke handbags to sustainable high-protein steaks, every part of the python is utilized, representing a pinnacle of specialized modern agriculture. The python meat will be carefully packaged and distributed to major supermarkets and restaurants. Python meat is a very delicious and appealing food.
Chef, the garnish is ready.
Bring it here. We are plating table 4 now.
To the finest voyage of the season.
Cheers to that. The accessories are amazing. Yeah. Absolutely stunning craftsmanship.
Our channel specializes in sharing production process for entertainment, exploration, and satisfying viewer curiosity. Sometimes we share practical knowledge, experience, and valuable lessons. Please leave your comment below the video. We'd love to hear your feedback to improve our videos. To support our channel, please leave the like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest and best video. Thank you very much.